Hi everyone, my name is Keith Brooks and this is Brooks Channel, and for today's video, I've got a new snack that I'm going to be trying out. This time it's going to be a Pecan Snickers bar. Got it right here. Yeah, I found this while I was out running errands, and I don't recall ever seeing a Pecan Snickers before, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Now, let me see here. Yep, according to this, it contains pecans, caramel, nougat, and milk chocolate. So basically everything but peanuts. Just pecans instead. Not much of a difference, but let's see how it tastes. Alright, open it up. Go. Alright. Looks like the one I had got a little broken up. No problem. It's still intact. Alright. Here's the bar itself. Yeah, like I said, it's a little broken. But, yeah, it's still mostly intact. Has a decent smell to it. Let's see the taste. Okay. Alright so far. Okay. Yeah, I don't normally eat a lot of pecan stuff, except the occasional butter pecan ice cream, which I actually haven't had in a while. Yeah. It's kind of chewy. Alright, one more bite. Sorry, that one was a little extra chewy. Toss this and take a drink. Alright. Yeah, overall, I'd say it was just eh. Like, Like I said, I don't normally get a lot of pecan stuff. It's not really my thing. But I figured I'd still give this a try anyway, and yeah, it was just so-so for me. Like, I'll definitely go for the regular Snickers bars over this. But if you like pecan stuff, then maybe it'll be more up your alley. Yeah, I might get it again on a rare occasion just to mix it up a little, but yeah, it's just alright. And yeah, that's about it. Not much else to say, so I'm just gonna end the video here. And as always, please let me know your thoughts about this more in the comments. Like, have you ever had a pecan Snickers bar before? And if so, what do you think of them? And if you haven't had one before, would you consider trying one after this? And with that, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.